Data analysis is the process of systematically examining and interpreting data using statistical and computational methods to extract meaningful insights and information from it. Data analysis helps to identify patterns, trends, and relationships that can be used to make informed decisions. Data analysis is a crucial aspect of many fields, including business. Data analysis can be used to analyze customer behavior, market trends, and financial data to improve business operations, make better decisions, and identify new opportunities. Healthcare. Data analysis can be used to analyze patient data to identify health risks, develop personalized treatment plans, and improve patient outcomes. Education. Data analysis can be used to analyze student performance data to identify areas where students need extra help and to develop more effective teaching strategies. Science. Data analysis can be used to analyze experimental data and to test scientific hypotheses. Social sciences. Data analysis can be used to analyze survey data, public opinion data, and other social science data to gain insights into human behavior and attitudes. Government. Data analysis can be used to analyze data on crime rates, population trends, and other social and economic indicators to inform public policy decisions. Technology. Data analysis is critical for the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, which are used in fields such as autonomous vehicles, natural language processing, and computer vision. In summary, data analysis is a critical component of many fields and industries. By analyzing data, we can gain insights and information that can be used to make better decisions, improve operations, and identify new opportunities.